Welcome to day 4 here at Kyoto. Today we are going to the Nara Deer Park. So we're taking a train. We're currently at Kyoto Station, and Kyoto Station itself is looking so pretty and like high tech. So we're taking a train and we're going to Nara. So we're sitting in the Kintetsu Limited Express train and we're going to Nara. We have arrived at Nara. You can see this says welcome to Nara. The cute deers all over the station. Look at this, it's so cute. So from the Kintetsu Nara station, we took a bus till N7 and we're going to Kasuga Taisha Shrine. It's one of the biggest shrines over here, and then we'll head to Todaiji Temple, which is the biggest Buddha. And oh my god, the deers are roaming around freely ऐसे ही. See? Oh. My god, these deers are so cute. Like पूरे एरिया में ऐसे ही चल रहे हैं वो, and if you bow to them, they're bowing down to you again, and they're so cute and they're very docile. मतलब ऐसा झपट नहीं रहे हैं आपके ऊपर. मतलब I tried to like pet 2 of them, and they were very good with it. They didn't कुछ किया नहीं इनने. So cute. On the road and there are deers literally all around us. How is the experience, Papa?
So like the way on the Indian street you have dogs, in Nara you have deers, and they are hungry for food.
Yeah.
So when you go close to them, they come for taking food. But when you raise hands like this, they know that you have nothing.
I'll show you right in front of me. So many deers. Wow. So while walking, we just saw a newborn deer. Like it was just born. It was so small, so cute, and everybody's gathered around there. We took a video and picture and we moved on. But it was so cute, newborn deer. After the Kasuga Taisha Shrine, now we're look at this is all going to go in the vlog, okay? We're now heading to the famous mochi pounding, which is Naka. क्या है? Naka. That's a different one. The one we're heading to is Naka. Something. So we are heading there for the mochi, and then we'll have lunch, and then we'll go to Todaiji. Guys, at Nara Park with the deers, I'm just having too much fun. They're so cute. मैं तो जा के हर डियर को हाथ लगा रही हूँ, हर डियर के साथ फोटो खींच रही हूँ, because it's like a fairy tale जैसा लग रहा है मुझे कि I'm like a princess, and सारे जो डियर्स हैं वो in like a forest, क्योंकि ये एरिया भी सी it's like a forest kind of. फॉरेस्ट तो नहीं है बट जो भी इट्स वेरी नाइस, बहुत सारी ट्रीज है, उसके बीच में डियर्स चल रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक अ डिज्नी फेरी टेल मूवी. हेलो नो क्यूट नो. दे कम टू यू अगेन एंड अगेन कि इफ़ यू हैव क्रैकर्स एंड व्हेन यू हैव क्रैकर्स यू शुड फीड इट टू देम. तो वो लोग आएंगे, बाव करेंगे, अगर आपके पास क्रैकर है तो उनको खिला दो, नहीं है तो ऐसे यू हैव टू लाइक हैंड्स अप करके कि नहीं है हमारे पास कुछ, अदरवाइज दे कीप फॉलोइंग यू. सो दैट्स हाउ इट गोज़. mochi show was after about 15-20 minutes and we were quite hungry, so we've come to Nara Mochi Street. Hi honey. We've come to Narayamuchi Street and we're having ramen at Menya K. So this is also kind of a famous restaurant that I saw on Reels. So there's a waiting over here for like 15-20 minutes. So we're waiting and then we'll have our ramen. We just took the mochi. How do you like it, Mama? Mama, you liked it? Nice.
It's different.
You like it? Hanika, you like it? No? We had mochi, we had lunch, and now we're at Todaiji Temple. It's right in front of me. It's the biggest Buddha statue. So I'm sitting in front of the Todaiji Great Buddha statue and oh my god, it's huge. It's humongous and it looks so magnificent. I mean, I can't stop looking at it. It's so huge and so pretty. Statue behind, there is a belief. Papa will tell you what the belief is.
So basically the belief is you touch any part of the statue, it's a wooden statue, and then you touch the body part of yours which has some issue or a pain, right? And then it's believed that the pain will go away.
So the Todaiji temple that we just went to, I googled it. It's one of the biggest bronze statues of Buddha in the world. I thought it's only Japan ka biggest, but this is one of the biggest in the world and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, of course. Hi, Babu. So there are so many deers here. Oh my god. We came back from Nara. Right now we're at Kyoto station enjoying the light show. So these are staircases जिसपे इनने lights लगाई हुई है and the colors keep changing. फिलहाल बंद हो गई. Oh, see it's back. top of Kyoto station and the skyline looks so good. Wait, I will show it to you. There's little less light, but oh my god, you can overlook the whole city. And this is inside Kyoto station. Can you believe that? The Kyoto station from the highest floor looks unreal, looks like some high-tech city, and this is just a station. Like, it's such a pretty architecture and so futuristic feel deta ekdam. Like, it's super duper pretty. So we've checked out of our hotel in Kyoto and we're here with our luggage. We're going for our first workshop for the day, which is the ring making workshop. Let's see how it goes. ring making experience, and now with the luggage we've come for our second experience for the day, which is chopstick making, like handmade chopstick. So let's go there. One chopstick, now onto the other. So we made the chopstick and we also rounded the edge a little bit, if you can see that. And now we're going to sand it to make it smooth. Okay. Chopsticks are almost done. Now we will engrave our name on this. few shops, and now we're here at Fresco and having some lunch. And then we are headed to the station because we have a train, Shinkansen, back to Tokyo and then to Kofu today. So we're a little short on time. So having food and then rushing to the station. We have our Shinkansen back to Tokyo from Kofu. So yeah, let's go. The luggage is there. Everybody's holding one suitcase and one bag each. So it's a little bit of a difficult travel because of the luggage, but